was it. That was her. Okie dokie, folks. Gonna have another camp out in the truck here because it's gonna be a good night. It's not too cold out, and gonna wake up to a nice, well, fairly warm morning. So I figured today would be a nice day. It'd be a nice change from the last time where I woke up and it was 10 degrees colder, but yeah. Should be a good one tonight, I think. I'm not gonna freeze my Katukas off because I got a new little space heater, and so far it works fantastic. Works great right here when I'm kind of using the countertop or whatever. But once I go to bed, I got to put it like over here or something like that, or over there, and kind of like face it towards me, because that's essentially what this thing does, is it kind of radiates heat towards wherever it's pointing. So, I don't know, it was on sale, and in the last video my old one kind of conked it out, so I figured I'd splurge the $24 and I'd buy this guy. It'll definitely do fine for the rest of the season. It's not going to be permanent. Like I said before, I want to get a diesel heater, but I also want to get like a little electric heater just to keep in the drawer there. This thing is a little bit on the bulky side, so odds of me keeping it in here are slim. Just takes up a little bit too much room, if you ask me. But yeah, it's a good little heater. Should work out well. It oscillates and has 2 settings and whatnot. It's nice and warm in here already, so can't really complain. Yeah, it's nice out tonight. It's not too windy. It's not too cold. It's like hoodie weather. It's like maybe -10 or something like that. So good night for camping, that's for sure. I wanted to get into the little snow fort there, but I just don't have my overalls here. I don't know where I left them. I think they're at my parents' house somewhere. So I gotta track those down before I attempt to actually sleep within a snowbank, essentially. Yeah, so in the time being, we got the truck camper, and I definitely wanted to take advantage of this weather because I think it's gonna get much colder pretty soon. Alright, so what's on the dinner bracket tonight? We got some poor man's supper, one of my favorites. We're gonna use the air fryer to just toast up my bread, but we're gonna fry up some bologna. Actually, I'm probably gonna use the air fryer for the bologna too, why not? We got the egg and cheese bologna sandwich. Nothing special, nothing fancy. This is what I call a gourmet supper in my eyes. Oh, and I got some Pringles too. Some pizza Pringles. Haven't had those in a while, so figured I'd try them. And yeah, we got this little Better Chef Better Chef stovetop. Had it for years. Works pretty good. It's not fancy or anything, and just straight up you just turn an element on. So I'm gonna test something here, because normally I have to turn my heater off, but this is on the low setting and it's 400 watts, and really, no, I'm not gonna chance it. I don't want to have to run inside and pull the breaker. So I'm gonna start cooking up my supper here. We just gotta fry up an egg and whatnot, and just gotta turn this heater off because I don't want to have to pop a breaker and have to go run down and flip a breaker. So, all right, let me get started and should be good. Well, that is cooking up. Today I picked a movie earlier because it's new on Netflix. It's called Home Team. It's with Kevin James. I've heard there's a little bit of controversy about it, so just because why would they pick him for the role or something like that? But I love Kevin James. He's literally one of my favorite actors. He's hilarious. So I'm gonna watch this movie. I don't want to wait. I'm literally cooking it up and I'm going to start the movie now. And yeah, hopefully it's a good one. Eggs all done. Put this away. That's a good place for it for now. How's this bologna doing? Ooh. Ooh, she's done. She's done. She is done. Ooh, that's hot. Ow. I want to touch the bowl, it's hot. Put that right in between you guys so it gets nice and melty. Alright. Toast up the bread, and then I got the last of my ketchup. Use that up. Just chuck the rest of that out. Alright, Deli Express bologna, the cheapest of them all. I don't think you could honestly get cheaper bologna, but it's delicious, so it'll do the trick. I know most people are probably disgusted by this, but I know I grew up eating real creative meals sometimes, and this was definitely a favorite of mine, that's for sure. Oh, these Pringles, I want to tackle those Pringles soon. And this movie so far has been fantastic.
All we have left is our presidential suite.
Oh yeah. Honestly, can't get a better toast than putting your toast in an air fryer. If you haven't done that before, try it, because you're missing out. Let me get this camera situated. I'm a two-hand person. I'm not a one-handed kind of guy. All right, let me see. Yeah, you can see. All right, plop this egg on there. Yes, please. I'll put that down there. A little bit of ketchup. Ooh. Gotta put the ketchup on the other side. Shibba-da-doop. Shibba-da-deep. What did I do with our sink? Oh, ready? You ready for this? I'm ready for this because I am starving. Oh. Oh my gosh. My gosh. Oh. Oh, you wouldn't like it. You wouldn't like it, trust me. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm. That is delicious. That is delicious. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Mm. All right. I'm gonna continue eating my sandwich, and I'm gonna continue watching my movie, and yeah, I might actually make another one. Might actually make another one. I'm not sure yet. I got the Pringles, so I'll be fine. Oh, don't go nowhere. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna finish my sandwich up. I'm gonna finish watching this movie, and we'll grab the camera when we're all done. Finished my supper, and that was fantastic. And I'm ready for bed. It is like, I think midnight or something, or 1 or, I don't even know what time it is. Oh, jeez. Only quarter to midnight. 11:45. That's late. That's like really, really late for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna hit the hay. I'm like glamping. I'm glamping tonight. Like, look at this. I got this heater right here. Like, I'm just gonna... Oh. I always put this blanket on first. It's soft. Nice and soft. It's my old comforter from the house. It's all tangled up here. Or all tangled up. There we go. All right, yeah, and then we throw this comforter on over top. This is like a moving blanket, I'm pretty sure, but it works fairly well for keeping my heat in, I've noticed. Right there, is the switch for this light bar here. That's more or less temporary, but you know what? It lights the whole cap up, and I think it's like 10 watts, so like not too power consuming. It might end up staying there, to be honest, just because it does light up quite well, and it doesn't really protrude. Before I had it turned backwards because it was super bright, but I have seemed to have gotten used to the brightness. So yeah, I'm gonna stool up here. I'm gonna finish watching my movie. I think there's like 20 minutes left. I just wanted to get to bed and turn the light off and whatnot, and once the light's off, that's basically it for filming. So yeah, I am gonna get myself ready for bed, which takes all of 2 seconds. And yeah, I got some thicker socks on tonight, so although it's gonna be basically 20 degrees warmer when I wake up in the morning, hopefully. So yeah, good night, y'all. I'll see you in the morning. Oh, look at that. That's kind of nice. That's nice, actually. You get a nice little, like, night light almost. Hopefully I don't set my comforter on fire tonight. But yeah, we're just gonna, continue watching my movie here. And I'll, catch you guys in the morning. The water's frozen. Oh, it was a good night. That was a good night. It's nice and warm in here. This heater worked fantastic. I cannot complain. Besides, kind of wish this corner wasn't here because I could move the heater and then it kind of, I don't know. No big deal. But yeah, other than that, it was a good night. Eat my yogurt that's slightly frozen. I kept the yogurt by the heater, but not real close because I didn't want warm yogurt, but yeah, we're good. A little sticky. Yeah, real quiet night. Yeah, it's 10 degrees, minus 10 right now. I can see on the outdoor thermometer. So that's basically the same temperature as I went to bed with. So that's not too bad. Oh. Yeah, let me turn this oscillation off. Let me get it straight first. Yeah, I just I put it on this little container here. Just lift it up a bit. Worked great. I'm gonna keep that in here, just for the time being. Yeah. Oh, this drawer isn't doing so well, but oh, you know what? It's time. It's time. It's time. Yeah. No sense in screwing around with it anymore. The sand already works a million times better. It was you that was causing the issue. But these floor tiles, you know what? They work great in the summertime, I'll tell you that. They worked great in the summertime. These black ones were a better brand, I'm guessing, because they actually seem to be fine. But these blue ones, my gosh, these blue ones do not like the cold weather. I think every single one of them is kind of like lipped up in the corner, so we know that for next time not to use the peel and stick tiles, because they do not hold up to the weather apparently. Oh boy, it is a little chilly out there. I guess this heater is doing something. Yeah, nice night outside. I'm not gonna crawl out there right now. It's a little chilly. I'm just gonna probably snoodle up for a little bit more here. It's nice and warm. Alright guys, we're gonna call it right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this kind of content, stick around for more. I'm gonna be plopping out probably 2 or 3 videos a week. Me just camping around, doing my thing. And hey, you made it all the way to the end, you might as well click that like button. Doesn't hurt you, really only helps me, so I really appreciate that. But again, stick around. The next one will be a good one. I think we're going to actually go into the snow fort in the next video, but we'll find out. We'll find out. It's collapsed a bit since I've boarded out, but I think we just need to clear out a little bit more snow. Yeah, so stick around for that one, and yeah, take care guys, stay warm.